So I'm not sure what we're doing today, but I think we're gonna try to go to the beach because I really want to go fly my drone up there. And the sun's out and it's kind of warm. See how that goes. Get your coats on, let's go! Alright. The sun's pretty bright. I don't know that I need a jacket.
Yeah.
I'm sticking with that. I don't actually think we've ever parked, and I've never been here before. This is kind of cool. Look at all the benches. It's a beautiful day. I'm really excited to fly the drone here. I think it's gonna be pretty cool. You gonna take some great photos with your camera?
Oh yeah.
I'm excited. Good job. That thing is absolutely fantastic. I will do a comprehensive first-time drone owners review at some point soon. I just want to fly it more and get a little more used to it. On to something else. Michelle, I'm loving these pictures you took.
This one is.
That one's not great, but this one's cool. I like that one too.
That one's the.
That one's neat.
That one's the
practice one?
Yep.
Oh, that's okay. There's just like a ton of people out here with all kinds of cameras taking pictures. I assume Christmas presents.
Daddy?
I'm pretty much fine, except my hands are really cold. Still not gonna put a jacket on.
Hey.
Wait a minute. Horses!
Hope we see some.
Let's go check them out. I wish I had a horse to bring to the beach. Miles, I don't know that bring your frog to the beach day would be a fun idea. What other things can you think of to bring to the beach?
Dolphins.
Bring your dolphins to the beach? Bring your chickens to the beach?
Yes.
What about bring your hamsters to the beach? Oh, okay. What is going on over here? Oh.
So I'm giving them my socks as like.
Not for nothing, but that guy beats me.
What guy?
That's called the penguin club.
That guy's not even wearing clothes. I'll get there one day. fun.
Yeah. Do my squats.
All right, guys, lunchtime. I'm getting hungry. Let's go.
No.
Not true, but you were like, oh, I forgot my camera.
That does sound like me. Not thrilled about it, but we ended up at the 99s. The kids really like it. Wouldn't be my first choice. Big fan of the 99s?
I don't want a hot dog.
You want a hot dog? Yum. Oh no. Do I have to? Fine. This one, well, oh, this one you started already? Okay. Uh-oh.
Ah.
There it is. You're not gonna throw the popcorn at me, are you?
Yeah, I'm gonna throw it in your mouth.
Okay.
Ready? Oh, Miles is blocking it. So close.
No.
I'm not going anywhere.
Yes, you are.
I'm a part of this table. Lunch was great. I need coffee. Hey, you want coffee?
Yeah.
I know I kind of crapped on 99s when we got there. I just really don't love restaurant chains. However, that place is pretty good and the kids like it.